Good evening and welcome to News 24. This is Sanjana Chaudhary with the top news of the day. The government will be conducting area-based lockdown in the capital's hotspots from tomorrow to prevent the spread of coronavirus infection. State Minister for Public Administration Farhad Hussain made the remarks today in a virtual call. He also said that work is underway to finalize the mapping across the country considering the risk of coronavirus infection. However, the government has not yet decided whether to increase the public holiday after 15th June. Bangladesh today confirmed 35 more deaths from the novel coronavirus and 2,635 new cases of infection, testing 12,486 samples in 50 labs across the country in the last 24 hours. With this, the death toll from the deadly virus rose to 846 and the number of total infections stood at 63,026. Additional Director General of Health Directorate Professor Dr. Nasima Sultana made the disclosure during a virtual briefing today. Besides, 521 patients recovered during the time, increasing the number of total cured patients to 13,325. Coronavirus infection are on rise across the globe as a result of the relaxed lockdown. The total number of deaths in a single day has exceeded over 5,000, marking the number of total deaths over 3,90,000. In total, more than 6.8 million people were infected with the virus. Meanwhile, Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro threatened on Friday to pull out Brazil out of the World Health Organization after the UN agency warned Latin American governments about the risk of lifting lockdowns before slowing the spread of the novel coronavirus throughout the region. Meanwhile, the WHO has suggested wearing masks in public to prevent infection. On the other hand, India has overtaken Italy in the number of attacks in the world. India went past Italy to become the sixth worst hit nation by the COVID-19 pandemic, with the country registering a single-day spike of 9,887 cases. Former Health Minister Mohammad Naseem is in critical condition and is currently in ventilation in the intensive care unit ICU of the Bangladesh Specialized Hospital at Shamoli in the capital. Naseem went under the brain surgery at the Bangladesh Specialized Hospital yesterday. His son has confirmed that he is under doctor's observation. A 10-member medical board has been formed for his treatment. On June 1st, Naseem was admitted to Bangladesh Specialized Hospital with COVID-19 symptoms, including fever and cold. He later tested positive for COVID-19 and was rushed into surgery on Friday after suffering a brain hemorrhage. The postponed 2020 second Qatar World Cup and the 2020 third Asia Cup qualifiers could resume next October, said Asian Football Confederation (AFC). FIFA and AFC have suspended World Cup and Asian Cup qualifiers since early March due to the deadly coronavirus outbreak. The AFC announced on its website on Friday the proposed resumption of qualifying matches in October after discussions between FIFA and AFC officials. 4 match days have been reported there. The postponed matches will be played on 6th, 9th, 10th and 13th October respectively. Earlier, these matches were supposed to take place in last March and this June. That is all the news for today. Thank you for watching News 24. Please stay with us.